naririnig po. This application, just for the information of those here present, this is a CAPEX application. Ano po ang ibig sabihin po niyan? This is an additional capital, which is, this capital is for the, for your distribution utility. Ang purpose po nito ay para mag-comply po sa ERC rules po. And for the furtherance of the ITIRA po. So mamaya po ipapaliwanag po ng ating witness here at ng lawyer kung para saan po itong application. So mas maganda po lahat po tayo at least makinig po at ma-inform po tayo kung para saan po itong application na to. So wala po tayong paguluhan na magagana. Okay po? So, yes please. Yes please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Attorney Noel Advocate appearing for the issue. Before we proceed further with this proceeding, may I inquire from Your Honor, from this body, if they have submitted necessary documents in order for this proceeding to proceed? Like, for example, the pre-trial briefs, the judicial affidavit of the witnesses, and we know if they have submitted to the ERC, Your Honor. Because if this is not submitted, there's no reason for us to proceed.
Noted, Palmero. I believe that is indicated in your,
yes, sir.
Is it this motion, motion from the consumers, am I right? Yes. We will rule on that later on. We'll just proceed with the jurisdictional requirements so that we can rule on your motion. Yeah. Alright, so, Council, jurisdiction.
We are presenting the following rules of compliance of the publication and posting requirements of the commission. We present the affidavit of publication dated June 30, 2014, issued by the Times of CCTV, a copy of the June 23, 2014 issue of the Manila Times.
Excuse me, sir, can we have a louder volume for the speakers? Kasi po hindi rin po namin marinig kung nasa harapan at nasa likod yata.
Okay. We are presenting the rules of compliance of the publication and posting requirements of the Commission. As Exhibit A, we present the affidavit of publication dated June 30, 2014, issued by the Manila Times. A copy of the June 23, 2014 issue of the Manila Times, Exhibit A-1, page P3 of the June 23, 2014 issue of the Manila Times, Exhibit A-2, a copy of the June 30, 2014 issue. No. A copy of the June 30, 2014 issue of the Manila Times as Exhibit A-3, page B3 of the June 30, 2014 issue of the Manila Times as Exhibit A-4. The affidavit of publication dated June 30, 2014 issued by the Malaya Business Insight as Exhibit A-5. A copy of the June 23, 2014 issue of the Malaya Business Insight as Exhibit A-6. Page B3 of the June 23, 2014 issue of the Malaya Business Insight as Exhibit A-7. A copy of the June 30, 2014 issue of the Malaya Business Insight as Exhibit A-8. And page A5 of the June 30, 2014 issue of the Malaya Business Insight as Exhibit A-9. These exhibits are being presented to prove that the notice of public hearing was published once a week for 2 consecutive weeks in 2 newspapers of general circulation at least 10 days before the scheduled hearing. We also present the affidavit of publication dated July 1, 2014, issued by the Subic News as Exhibit A-10, a a copy of the June 22 to 28, 2014 issue of the Subic Bay News, Exhibit A-11, and page 2 of the June 22 to 28, 2014 issue of the Subic Bay News as Exhibit A-12 to prove that the OEDC disseminated the scheduled July 11, 2014 hearing through other means. We present the certificate of posting issued by the Office of the Governor of the Province of Zambales, Exhibit B, to prove that the order and notice of public hearing were posted at the bulletin board of the Province of Zambales. We also present the affidavit of service of the order and notice of public hearing to the Office of the Mayor of Olongapo City as Exhibit B-1 to prove that a copy of the order and notice of public hearing was served on the Office of the Mayor of Olongapo City on June 26, 2014 with a letter request for the issuance of a certificate of posting attesting that said order and notice of public hearing were posted in the bulletin board of Olongapo City. But, however, the Office of the Mayor of Olongapo City refused to issue the requested certification, so we are just submitting the affidavit of service in lieu of the certificate of posting. We also present the affidavit of service of Ms. Nora Arbinaria, authorized on June 30, 2014 as Exhibit B-2 to prove that the order and notice of public hearing were sent by a registered mayor to the Office of the Solicitor General, Commission on Audit, House Committee on Energy, and the Senate Committee on Energy. And lastly, we are presenting the certificate of posting dated June 27, 2014, issued by OEDC as Exhibit B-3 to prove that OEDC posted the order and notice of public hearing at the bulletin board of its offices since June 24, 2014 up to the present. Those are the proofs of compliance of the applicant with regards to the publication and not the posting requirements. And may we also manifest that the applicant OEDC filed its pre-trial brief together with the judicial affidavit and the compliance of the publication and notice requirements on July 4,